Today we're going to be checking out these AFE 1 5/8 inch Twisted Steel Shorty Headers for the 2019 to 2024 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. If you want a little more throttle response, a deeper exhaust note, and a cleaner look with that engine, then these Shorty Headers are a nice bolt-on setup that are definitely worth checking out. All right, so the key features here are going to start with the Shorty Header design and the 1 5/8 inch primary tubes, which is going to help the engine breathe better than that factory setup. This is going to give you quicker throttle response and a stronger sound without going too over the top. These are made to bolt onto the factory mid-pipe and cats, so you can keep your drivability and you don't have to redo that entire exhaust system. The flanges are thick to help with the sealing, and the tubes are mandrel bent so the flow stays smooth. Folks are gonna swap for Shorty Headers when the stock manifolds might crack, or the studs snap off, or you just want an easy power and sound bump without going to the full long tube headers. You get better flow, a cleaner look, and less heat soak around the heads compared to some big, heavy cast irons. When it comes to the construction on these, you're looking at stainless steel tubing with smooth mandrel bends and thick laser cut flanges to help keep the warping down and the gaskets sealed. The welds are clean and built to hold up to repeated heat cycles over time. The collectors are designed to merge that flow cleanly, and the finish helps resist rust and corrosion over time with a nice boost from that stainless steel setup. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid-1000s price range. For a set of stainless steel Shorty Headers that bolt onto that stock system and give you better response, better sound, and better overall performance, that's a solid value if you want gains without a full custom exhaust setup. So when it comes to the installation process on this one, it's gonna get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 3 hours of your time. Now, you're gonna need to pull the factory manifolds, clean the ports, set the new gaskets, and bolt these headers into place. And you're gonna reconnect it to the mid-pipe that already exists on the car. So you just need some basic tools, some patience, and a torque wrench is gonna be really helpful to make sure you're torquing down to spec. Also, you should recheck those bolts after a few heat cycles just to make sure nothing loosened up, but for most DIYers or anybody that's comfortable really getting into that engine and doing some work on their car, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. All right, well that wraps up my review of the AFE 1 5/8 inch Twisted Steel Shorty Headers for the 2019 to 2024 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.